Hello everyone, today I will do this ROM disk analysis and autopsy on TryHackMe. We have here only one task, but we have questions, and first what you need to do is to start the machine, and after you start the machine just open the autopsy, then open the case. The case is on desktop and case files, and when they ask us do we want to open this image, to search that image just click yes, then browse, go to desktop, case files, and then open. And as just you can see here, this is our case. And first what we need to check is to go to exit metadata and to see can we load the images. And if you don't see here images, or if you can't see images, you need to just to restart Autopsy, just to reopen. So close the case and then again open, and now should be work. Now it's working like this. This is good, and we can start with the first questions. First question: what is the MD5 hash of the A01 image? Data sources Hassan. Then go to file metadata, and here is the MD5 hash. What is the computer account name? Operating system information, and we see here the name. Copy that. List all of the user accounts, alphabetical order. So here are the user accounts, and like this, and this is the default account: administrator, default account, guest. I will name this man Hassan because it's easier to read, but it's H4S, HN. This is default. So this is software. So first one is Hassan. Then we have Joshua, Keshava. Sandhya, Shreya. Sivapriya, Srini, Suba. That's correct. Who was the last user to log into the computer? Then go to date created, and the last one should be Sivapriya. What was the IP address of the computer? The easiest way is to go to keyword search, len IP, and go search, and we see here the file, and here is the len IP. What is the MAC address of the computer? The MAC address is below. And second way to find the MAC address is to type like this, LANIC, like LANIC. That means local area network interface card. Okay. After that, what is the name of the network card on this computer? You can go and search like this, network cards, and we will get here some information. Only two, maybe like this. Then click to the substring match, and yeah, you can find the more about it. Exact match is when it's exact. And another way to find this, I will show you, that is with the regular expressions. It's taking so much time, I don't know why. But another way is to go like this. This is lowercase, uppercase, lowercase. It's here space between characters. Then go like this. And then question mark. I will skip this question because it's taking too much time. What is the name of the network monitoring tool? You go to install programs, and then you just need to find network monitor tools, and I know already that is look at LAN. A user bookmarked a Google Maps location. What are the coordinates of the location? Web bookmarks, and here is the location. Properties. Copy this one. We should delete, right? And we can see is our network has finished. No, it's not. I don't know why it's taking so much time. A user has his full name printed on his desktop wallpaper. What is the user full name? Go to the images. And they are say user, so you need to find here users here. I already know that it's Joshua, but if you don't know, you need to search through each one. Click on Joshua, downloads, and then open the picture, and we see here that is under Joshua, but you can extract this to desktop and have a better look. Anto Joshua. A user had a file on her desktop. It had a flag, but she changed the flag using PowerShell. What was the first flag? So first, how you can find it? PowerShell history. You just type Google. I think it's PowerShell file history. PowerShell command. Should be like that. And here is the example what you need to search. Close this one. A second way how you can find this PowerShell is go to data sources, Hassan, then volume 3, and then go to users, and then you need to find which user has used the PowerShell. So normally you need to go to all of these users and search, but I think I already know it was Sandhya or Sivapriya Shreya. I did this room before, but I don't remember good. Go to app data, roaming, Microsoft, then Windows, and then PowerShell, and here is the history there. So that is Sandhya is not, it's Shreya or Sivapriya. The path is same, app data roaming, Microsoft, then to Windows and PowerShell, and then we have here the hint, and the flag is Harley Quinn for Queen. The same user found an exploit to escalate privileges on the computer. What was the message to the device owner? Normally TryHackMe don't want us to search through all the files, and they put this usually on desktop or downloads files like that, and just go to, we are on same user Shreya, then go to, you need to find desktop, and here is the exploit, and there is the flag is I hacked you. Two hack tools focused on passwords were found in the system. What are the names of these tools? How you can find the hack tools? That will normally your Windows Defender will detect them. So you need to go to Windows. I don't remember good this path, but I think I'm the right path. Windows. Or it was not Windows. It's program data, maybe. Program data. Microsoft. Right. Windows Defender. And then go to scans. History. Service. Detection history. And then you have here files. You can search from this detection history. And the first tool is Mimikatz. Like we see here, no, this is Mikatz. Here is the Mimikatz. And the second one is lasagna. And you need to know something others. If you look for Windows Defender, I found him on program data, but he can you can find him as well here, but you will not get here the scans or program files. 86 probably is here. Here is 2, but when you open that you don't have the scans and detection history. There is Yara file on the computer. Inspect the file. What is the name of the author? How to find this question? You need to know that the Yara file has extension of .yara. That is only way. And through waiting this one, I will help you to solve this question. What is the name network card on this computer? As I said, this one is not good. Network card, if you search like this, it will search all of the files that contains the network card or cards or uppercase, lowercase, and just go to files, and we see here that we don't have name, but we have the pet. Pet is the software, Microsoft Windows NT current version network cards. And where to find the software? Like I said, that is in operating system information, software, application, and then they say as Microsoft, and then Windows NT, I think it should be. Yes, then current version, open that, then find the network cards. Here they are, then 2, and here we see the name. Oh, I'm sorry, it's not here. After that, there is the Yara file on the computer. We already searched for that. Finish it. It's not finished yet. Okay, one of the users wanted to exploit a domain controller with an MSNRPC based exploit. What is the file name of the archive that you found? Include the spaces in your answer. What we can do here, we can get some hints on this exploit, and this is the zero logon exploit. And if I go to search zero logon, I should get some information. And another way how to find is to go to the software, because he must have something installed with to use this exploit. And if I go down, no, it's not here. I thought it's here, but no. No, never mind. Probably it's in the recent documents. You need to find. Look at land, that is not Mimikatz, is not loop land, no. I can't find it now. I go to zero logon to see is here found, and then we can see here that is that Sanhya had used this exploit, and here is the version. Zero logon. It's always good to have keyword search, and it will find for us what we want. It's correct. And after that, we need to answer the question with .tr. We find some stuff, but we need to find the extensions.yar, that is important. It's so much stuff here. Here is kiwipasswords.yar, and we can see here the author is Benjamin Delpy Gentil Kiwi. This is correct, and that is all for this test. I hope so that I helped you, and if you like the video, let like, and that is all. Bye.